Did you know that the State Library has made the Massachusetts Acts and Resolves available online? While you can find more recent Acts and Resolves on the state legislature's website, malegislature.gov, Acts and Resolves passed prior to 2011 can be found in the library's online digital repository. In fact, our collection has thousands of Acts and Resolves going all the way back to 1692. To find these Acts and Resolves, go to our website, mass.gov/lib for library, scroll down to Quick Links, and select Search the State Library's digital repository. From there, you will arrive at the library's DSpace homepage. To skip this step in the future, you can bookmark this website. The State Library has a ton of different state documents available on DSpace, but the Acts and Resolves are easily found right at the top of the list of collections. Once you click on Acts and Resolves, you will find the acts organized under the year in which they were passed. The numbers at the end of each year show how many Acts and Resolves were passed that year, but don't worry, you can search the titles and the text of the Acts and Resolves by keyword. You can also use quotation marks to make sure you search for an exact phrase. If you already know the citation of the Act or Resolve that you are interested in, you can search the chapter number in the specific year. For example, if you wanted to find Chapter 88 of the Acts and Resolves of 1945, you can select 1945, search 0088 in the search bar, and that act will pop up. Click on the Act title for more information about the Act, as well as both text and PDF file versions of the Act below the thumbnail of the document. Select your file of choice, and you've found your Act. If you have any questions about this collection or any other materials here at the State Library, feel free to email us at reference.department@mass.gov or call us at 617-727-2590.